Oh, jeez Louise. Boy, I wasn't planning on moving the whole wood pile, but here we are. I can work with that. We gotta tighten those bolts up, Gramps. Jeez Louise. All right, I gotta go get a step ladder. I'll be back. Step ladder acquired. Okay, cut the hole. All right, that's what we're shooting for-ish. It's quite the arm workout if you've never tried it. Well, there goes the greens. I guess I don't need them. Who uses greens anyway? Ow. Looks good to me. All right, let's nail it in. Okay, attic insulation shield, then just drops over. Just like that, and then I can all the way around. What I need to do now is start doing our pipe from below, because I don't know if I'm gonna get the top portion done today. Might be a different day, but I got this down, I got our basic framing down. Now I start on the stove pipe, come up, get to this point.